When you need to make a payment to NYU, there are a number of options available. Let's start with making a payment online. This is by far the quickest and easiest way to pay. All you need is a US checking account to make a payment through the Bursar eSuite. You'll even be able to save your payment method to make future transactions even quicker. Start by logging into your Albert Student Center. Click on the Finances tab and then the View Bursar Account button. Follow the prompts to launch the Bursar eSuite. Once there, you can review your account and make a payment. Be sure to have your bank routing and account numbers handy. If you'd rather pay in person, you can do so at the StudentLink centers in Manhattan and Brooklyn using cash, a check, or a money order. Note that credit and debit cards are not accepted. If you would rather mail in your payment, you can send us a check or money order to Bursar's office, 383 Lafayette Street, New York, 10003. If you are paying by personal check, the check must be payable to New York University in U.S. currency and be drawn at a bank in the United States. Please write your student ID number on your check, money order, or cashier's check. Looking to make a payment outside the United States? Check out our video on international payments. It is important that payments are made by the posted payment due dates to avoid block registration, finance charges, or de-enrollment. Having issues with meeting a payment deadline? Let us help you find a solution. Visit the StudentLink Center to speak with a counselor.